Hi there, I'm Ross Woodfield. Welcome to BlackRock Global's daily market update. Starting off in Canada now, and the Canadian dollar's weakened sharply against the US dollar as early election results begin to filter through from the Canadian general election. The results are not looking good for incumbent Prime Minister Stephen Harper, with less than 20% of the vote. Mr. Harper has faced a strong backlash in Canada for his anti-immigration and particularly anti-Muslim stance. The centre-left Liberal Party of Canada is emerging as a strong contender with over 55% of the vote. The result, which has been called by some news outlets, is a considerable turnaround from the 2011 election, where they captured just 19% of the vote. Moving on to China, and we saw the release of the official growth figures yesterday. The official government figures suggested Chinese growth has slipped fractionally to 6.9% year-on-year, down from 7% last quarter. The results inevitably raised questions about the validity of the data, given the economic storm clouds looming over China at the moment. We do not believe that a result accurately reflects the current situation, and we point to the fall in Chinese imports of negative 20.4% year-on-year and a fall in exports of negative 3.7%. Many economists believe the growth rate to be actually in the region of 3 to 5% year-on-year. And taking a look at some news coming up for the New Zealand dollar, and which will be active overnight with the global dairy auction scheduled. The Kiwi has benefited from 3 strong results in the dairy trade recently, and a fourth will well and truly signal an end to the bear market. Also watch for a speech by Federal Reserve Chairwoman Janet Yellen. She is unlikely to clarify the timing of a rate rise from the Fed, but the market will likely move nonetheless. And finally, our analyst pick for the day is a short position in the cable. The pair has formed a double top pattern after a strong movement higher. The double top is formed just under a short-term bearish trend line, and it is at a level of resistance that has seen a number of swing points form in the past. That's all we have time for today. For BlackRock Global, I'm Ross Woodfield. Thanks for watching.